What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. It's Zach as usual, and this morning we're gonna go try to get on the geese again. Got permission on the spot, so we're gonna go try to get on some geese. Y'all stay tuned. Hey! Hey! You try it?
Better land. Get ready on your side, Larry. Get ready, Larry.
Let me know when.
Shoot him, Larry. Shoot him.
Woo! We got one.
Give me that.
Give me that.
I missed my first shot on him. Good shot.
He's banded. Whatever he is.
I know. Solo that didn't. Really?
Dude, I know for a fact when he was gliding down, I tore his up.
Somebody.
But he was just cruising, bro.
He didn't mind us.
Dude, I collaborated that.
I was standing in the depot. I was sitting right there.
That one, bro.
Dude, that's a juvie, bro.
Gray belly. We might need to.
That was perfect, dude. He did it good. Cruising, bro.
He didn't mind us.
Dude, I collaborated that.
I was standing in the depot. I was sitting right there.
That one, bro.
Dude, that's a juvie, bro.
Locked up into this field, bro. They landed.
Really?
Yeah. They're about 80, 90 yards behind us.
We gotta get him up. We need to scare him up. Look at all them damn. Bubba, get down. Bro, turn around and kill him. Turn around and kill him. Get him. I know I killed one.
They got one sailing. Watch that one.
Where?
He ain't going down.
Y'all want to call him? Call back.
We killed 3? That ain't bad. 4. We killed 4. Heck yeah.
Dude, they were right there. What do you expect?
You wanna...
Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah, dude, that was
They're flying straight at us.
When they fly over.
Look at that one with the leg hanging.
What are they doing?
We're gonna shoot when they get over top of us.
No, they're turning to your side, Bubba.
Give me that.
Good shot.
That other group, I mean, dude. Come on.
Got the feet.
Y'all want me to go get them? What time is it? What time is it?
I don't know.
It's probably
time for the other ones
7:40.
to Come in here. Ronnie, wait a minute. Where'd they come from?
Behind us
I
somewhere.
don't know where they're.
They came
from
straight over.
Shh.
More right behind them. Before them rolling close.
Hold on, big group, big group.
Kill him now. Stick him on the other side of the fence. Something.
Or y'all think that was all of them?
No. Hold on, Larry, hold on, Larry, hold on. See what they're gonna do.
They can't keep doing that.
I know Bubba was chasing one, but I think he got away. Or he didn't get it. Is that one sitting right there?
Only got 3.
4, 5. There's another one. Did you get that one that was over there, Bubba?
Yeah.
The one that was running from you.
Set him up over there right quick.
We'd be better off trying to hide behind this stuff. Just sit down on the ground, hide behind this stuff. A few?
There's another one still over there.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
And 14.
No, I counted that one. That's 13. It's
Y'all
13.
get the one that flew halfway across the field?
The one that was over there, I don't think they got that one.
Should be 8 right there. I just grabbed 2.
Yeah, there's
Another one. I thought it was
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What, they coming?
I heard a goose. We heard a goose.
Hey, give me some shit. John, hand me some shit.
Here. Just stay right there. Here.
Get my shit. Get it, Bruce. Okay,
Here.
Bruce, get him. Leroy, you got my gun. Oh, shit.
Shh.
I hear him, Braylon. Come on.
Set up them decoys right there, Bubba. Just stand them up.
He's coming right at us. Come right at us.
I bet they laying behind us. They'll be alright. We can stand up and shoot them again.
How many is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, they're about to do it dirty. You want to kill him?
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
Shoot him.
I killed 2 geese.
I shot at the same two. I shot at the same two.
Y'all sit down. Watch them.
I gotta get shields.
I ain't got no shields.
No.
They were right here. They're I told y'all the geese were coming in here. I didn't say where it feels. Yeah. Who them last 2 groups tried to land right here? How many is it?
I don't know, we got 14 and 15 right now.
There's one in your blind, Leroy. He's got his head up right there.
Chill, dude.
You didn't get no video, did you?
What y'all think about? What y'all think about it?
I think we did all right for the circumstances.
So we had to switch up our spread. This is just a silhouette, so I forgot to show y'all what it looks like. But we had just decoys strung right here. And then we had some full bodies mixed in and a group of full bodies over there. But the geese were wanting to land in that field. So we flipped around, got on that, in between them fences right there and sat on that side. And we shot at one group over there, but they weren't wanting in this field. But he said they were coming from over yonder in that corner and coming over in this field. But really they were going in that field over there. They came from behind us and they were wanting to get in that field. So it is what it is. We made the best out of the circumstances and we killed some birds. That's gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. We got on some birds. Wasn't the best circumstances, I guess you should say, because they weren't wanting to get in our field. They were wanting to get in the field behind us. But we still did what we could do and we killed some birds. So you just gotta thank the good Lord above for giving us the opportunity to go out there and keeping us safe while doing it. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.